Hi there, it's Donna and welcome to this ink and wash watercolor painting. So I started sketching outside plein air and it was a beautiful day, but I decided to went back home and just continue painting at home. And I am using cadmium orange here. So in this class, I will be showing you how to add shadows and to keep everything simple. And also, I will be sharing a story about Enoch. It's one of my favorite character in the Bible as we go along. So I hope you stay with me, and so let's continue. So this is cadmium orange. And this one is Ultramarine. And to keep it loose, I am adding the first wash, and then I would add the shadow right away using the same tint but a little bit darker. So this one is cobalt blue. If you want to see how I sketch this one, it is in the short videos in my channel, so please go check it. And this one is lemon yellow. One of the tips that I could give you if you are doing ink and wash is to keep everything light as possible. And now I'm adding royal purple. So in order for you to keep it light, you have to, of course, plan ahead and also to add more water onto the pigment. So if you feel like you had loaded more water than you should, then you can dry your brush using a tissue paper, of course. So there you go. I've added already the first shadow, and as you can see, when you add the shadow, it's gonna change. Adding shadows onto your painting is gonna change. It's a game changer because it will be very unique, and at the same time it will have a different ambience. And if you want to be, if you want to have your own identity, you can use the shadow by choosing the colors that you prefer every time you add a shadow onto your painting. If you want to learn more about ink and wash, I have lots of videos. I started my channel like a year ago, but then I'm adding more. I kind of abandoned it and now I'm going back. So if you want to learn more about ink and wash, please go visit some of my videos. If you want to share any ideas of what I'm going to paint or any point that you want to share with me, please go and comment below and I will be very happy to read them and respond to them. So we're almost done with this painting of this very cute urbanscape, and now it's time for me to share the story that I really want to share with you. And this is about Enoch. Is a story in the Bible that teaches us the power of walking closely with God. So in Genesis verse 21 to 24, it tells us that Enoch walked faithfully with God. So for 300 years, imagine living a life that pleased God. Instead of experiencing death like everyone else, God took Enoch directly to heaven because of his deep trust and faith. And the Hebrew 11 confirms this, saying that Enoch was commended as one who pleased God, and God honored his faith by sparing him from death. So in Enoch's story, it teaches us the importance of walking with God and trusting Him and living in a way that pleases Him. And this is very important because I think every day is a challenge, every day is a choice that we have to make. Either we follow the rule of the world or we follow God. And I think it's very important to read the Bible and to be close to God so that we can resist the temptation. Enoch didn't just talk about his faith, he lived it every day, and God honored that in a very special way. So his life shows that when we stay close to God and live in a way that honors Him, we can too experience the joy of His presence. So there's hope for us all, that no matter what we face, we can walk with God every step of the way, just like Enoch did. So I hope that inspires you, this and this painting, and please visit some of my paintings in this channel. So thank you, and I'll see you.